What does your grandpa snoring?
An out-of-tune violin, an electric drill have in common? They're all available on our brand new collection. Now that's what I call annoying sound. You'll get the classics like nail on a chalkboard, Velcro, screaming tea kettle, a never-ending car alarm, Flemmy calls, guitar feedback, someone cracking their neck, lick smacking, toe tapping, a leaky faucet, a leaky bathtub. You want to hear something else leak? We probably have it on this CD. 42 of the most irritating noises ever assembled in one cringe-inducing collection. Macaroni shaker, amateur trumpet player, rubbing two balloons together, cowbell, shaking a piggy bank, bongo, a sea otter, someone acting like a sea otter, angry goat, mosquitoes, a sea otter, an angry goat, a mosquito, and someone acting like a sea otter together. Dry erase markers, Fred Figgleholm.
Hey, it's Fred!
A blender at a polka party. A bag of chips being unwrapped on loop for 3 hours. Farts. Burps. Burping and farting at the same time. 1,000 people burping at the same time. 10,000 people farting at the same time. 1 million people burping and farting at the same time.
I listened to this CD for 3 weeks straight, and now I have no idea who I am. There's truly something for everyone, like
the many voices in my head, the sound of me crying myself to sleep, the sound of me going to my quiet happy place and screaming. And dubstep. Now that's what I call annoying sounds. It's so jam-packed with noises you never wanted to hear again that we had to split it up into 2. Buy it down on 2 CDs or 2 broken cassette tapes. Call now at 1-800-BLAH and enter in the key code. We even throw in now that's what I call armpit farting noise. 3. That's 3 continuous hours of armpit farting noises for absolutely nothing. Rush delivery is available. But why would you want it? No, that's what I call annoying sounds.
it sucks.
Hey, it's Fred!
Hey guys, it's Tim Jr. Thank you for checking out this video. Make sure you subscribe for more great stuff from Fred.